Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be teaching you how you can change your Facebook password on your phone. So the steps are pretty simple. Just go to your Facebook account and then tap on the menu icon on the lower right. And then just tap on settings on the upper right. And then go to password and security. And then when you scroll down a bit here under login, it says change password. Tap on that. And then it will just let you enter your current password and then your new password and then just confirm it so you would be able to change your password. So for this account, let's say the new password is just tap update password. And there you have it. Your password is changed. Try logging in and then entering your new password and see if it works. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped and we will see you in the next video.